Hi, my students. I wanted to give you a quick rundown before you take your quiz online. So let's go over our geometric shapes. You might hear some noises in the background. You're going to have to ignore them. Sorry. So we're going to review geometric and organic shapes. And the thing you're going to have to turn in today is notes that you took during this assignment. And then you'll have to do a quick quiz. The quiz is like 3 questions. So and you can use your notes. It's just me knowing that you listened and all that stuff. Let's leave that color today. So I want to kind of go over what is geometric and organic shapes. So let's start with geometric. And then we have organic over here. Now this is relatively simple. Geometric is when a shape is man-made, has a name that we've given it, right? Triangles, circles, squares, hexagons, octagons, things like that. All these are going to be geometric. And then organic is going to be shapes that don't really have a name. Basically, you'd see organically in nature, right? Blobs, like a bunny outline or whatever, right? He's a bunny with a tail, right? These are all organic shapes. You can argue that a circle is something that you might see in nature. It's one of those that kind of like sits in between these two. But for our purposes today, we're just going to say it's geometric. So with your origami, you're going to have to create, patterns. And when we did our hand texture projects, you guys learned that patterns versus texture, and that patterns were just repeating shapes or textures. So for example, I can do a geometric pattern by breaking these down into parallelograms, right? And then coloring each parallelogram. This would be really low on your craftsmanship scale, but it demonstrates my point, right? Or I can have an organic pattern. Let's say I want leaves and a flower, and I want swirls. And then I'll add another leaf over here and another flower, and that swirl will continue. So what this would do is it means that I would have to go ahead and repeat this pattern right here over and over and over again within my area. Organic patterns, I personally feel like they look more complicated because they are more complicated, but I also personally find them more visually appealing. However, these can look really fun and be done really well. Now, not all of you are going to have color. Some of you are stuck with just pencils. Some of you are going to be able to do this on a tablet. Each of you kind of has a different setup. So go ahead and turn in your notes for this assignment. I'm going to go ahead and cancel the quiz part that I was talking about. And then on Monday, you will turn in a organic and geometric pattern. They don't have to be super grand, but preferably a little bit higher quality than this. You should spend 15 to 20 minutes on it for Monday. Sorry for the bell, 1 second. Okay, so I'm going to repeat. Today, go ahead and turn in your notes. That's for today. And on Monday, you're going to turn in a geometric and organic pattern. Now, this is going to be the last thing to go on your 3rd quarter grade. And then everything else we do from here on out will go on your 4th quarter grade. So, again, say it one more time, just because I know sometimes we skip this stuff. Turn in your notes today. Monday, you're going to turn in your pattern for geometric and organic patterns, and that will be your last grade for 3rd quarter. Everything else will go on 4th quarter. Okay, I miss you guys. I hope you're staying safe and you're having some fun.